अरे बच्चा, कलयुग चली रहा, प्रलय आ गए, कौन बीमारी चल रही?
Raju Srivastav, one of the most towering figures of mimicry and entertainment, has passed away at the age of 58. He had been under critical observation in AIIMS, New Delhi, after suffering a heart attack while working out in the gym last month. Not many know that his real name is Satya Prakash Srivastav, but the characters immortalized by his mimicry sketches made him a household name that went by Gajodhar Bhaiya and Raju Bhaiya. He was born in Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh in a middle-class family on December 25, 1963. His father, Ramesh Chandra Srivastav, was a famous poet of the city. He had always been inclined towards mimicry. The art of mimicry sparked the fire of comedy in his heart, and that's when he began dreaming of becoming a comedian one day. He was inspired by Bollywood megastar Amitabh Bachchan and started imitating his style and mannerisms for his mimicry. Soon after completing his education in his hometown, Kanpur, he moved to Mumbai to fulfill his dreams. After moving to Mumbai, he managed to grab a few small roles in movies. His first role in Bollywood was in the movie Tezab in 1988. He received much applause for his tiny role in the film. He was also cast in small roles in many other Bollywood movies such as Maine Pyar Kiya, Bazigar, Abhay, Big Brother, and Amdani Athanni Kharcha Rupaiya, among others. Finally, Raju Srivastav gained nationwide recognition and was catapulted to fame after participating in the first season of the reality stand-up comedy show The Great Indian Laughter Challenge in 2005. This stand-up show made him a star and an iconic figure in the mimicry landscape. His caricatures and observations about common people living in the hinterlands of UP, Bihar, etc. gained him a cult following. The hard work put in earlier to polish Gajodhar Bhaiya paid dividends in this show. He was the first runner-up of the show, but his caricatures became very popular. After receiving immense applause from the show, he started participating in many mainstream reality shows like Season 3 of Bigg Boss, Comedy Circus, Raju Hazir Ho, Laugh India Laugh, and Comedy Ka Maha Muqabla. He also tried his hands at the dance reality show Nach Baliye. He and his wife Shikha participated as a dance couple in the show. The prolific comedian has also worked with Kapil Sharma on popular shows like Comedy Nights with Kapil and The Kapil Sharma Show. He then tried his hands in politics too. He joined politics with Samajwadi Party in 2014 when he was elected by the party for the Lok Sabha election from Kanpur. However, he wasn't very satisfied with the support of the party's local units and thus he returned the ticket. The scenario took a turn in favor of Raju Srivastav when in 2014 he joined BJP. Moreover, Prime Minister Narendra Modi made the comedian an integral part of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.